Dear 7th standard students, welcome back to this video session of Maths. Now we are going to solve exercise 3.1 from a new chapter Algebra. Let us get into the session.
Chapter 3 Algebra, an interesting chapter. This is an introduction. Variables and constants are combined by the operations addition and subtraction to construct an algebraic expressions. This is an 7x plus 6y plus 5. Example, here x, y are the variables, that means alphabets are the variables, and constants means 7, 6, 5. These are the fixed values, so that is constant. Variables and constants are combined by the operations addition and subtraction, plus or minus, to construct an algebraic expression. So that is the algebraic expression. Next, a symbol having a fixed numerical value is called a constant. Here 7, 6, 5, I told you that is constant, that is fixed value, never change their value, that is the constant. A symbol which takes the various numerical values is called a variable. So x, y are the variable. It means it is changeable. Whatever we give the values, that takes. So takes various numerical values is called the variable. In a term of an algebraic expression, each factors or a group of factors is called the coefficient of the remaining factor. For example, x, y, y x square. Here the coefficient of y means x is the coefficient of y and y is the coefficient of x square. That is the coefficient of remaining factors. The numbers in the variable term is called numerical coefficient. There is a variable term, there is a number, that is the coefficient, numerical coefficient. Here 12 is the numerical coefficient, right? That is variable term. That it is in the variable term, number is there, that is the numerical coefficient. Here minus 7 is the numerical coefficient, right? Whenever we write the numerical coefficient, the sign is very important. The terms having the same algebraic factors are called the like terms. This one 12x, 8x, here the variables are same, that is like terms. The terms with different algebraic factors are called unlike terms. For example, 7x and 12y. Here the variables are different, so that is unlike terms. An expression with one term is called monomial. For example, 2x, only one term is there, that is monomial. Mono means one. An expression with two terms is called binomial. Here two terms are there, 2x, 3y. This one, here one term and here one term. So two terms are there, that is binomial. Bi means two. An expression with three terms is called trinomial. Here 1, 2, 3, three terms are there. 2x is one term, 3y is another term, and 4z is the other term. So three terms are there, that is trinomial. Tri means 3, bi means 2, mono means 1. Look at this exercise 3.1. First question, fill in the blanks. The variable in the expression 16x minus 7 is dash. Variable means what? That is alphabets. In this expression, which one is alphabet? X. So that is the variable. Next one, the constant term of the expression 2y minus 6 is dash. Here two terms, that is y term, it is constant term. So constant term is minus 6. Next one, in this expression 25m plus 14n, the type of the terms are dash terms. Listen, two terms are there, 25m, 14n. It is m term, this is n term. So different terms means that is unlike terms. Fourth one, the number of terms in the expression. 1, 2, 3. So 3 terms. That is the answer. The numerical coefficient of the terms minus xy is dash. Minus xy, there is nothing in front of xy variable, means that is 1. So minus 1 is the numerical coefficient. Next one, find say true or false. First one, x plus minus x equal to 0. Is it true? X plus into minus, minus x. X minus x, 0. So that is true statement. Next one, the coefficient of AB in the term 15ABC is 15. Is it true? Listen, 15ABC, the coefficient of AB. AB means we have to write the other thing except AB. That is the coefficient. So 15C is the coefficient of AB, but they given 15 only, so that is false. Next one, 2PQ and minus 7QP are like terms, right? Here also PQ, here also PQ, that is changed. In multiplication the variables are changeable. So PQ and QP are both same, so it is like terms only. So that statement is true. Next one, when y equal to minus 1, the value of the expression 2y minus 1 is 3. Check that. Y equal to minus 1, the value of 2y minus 1. 2, instead of y we have to substitute the value minus 1, plus into minus minus, 2 into 1 2, minus 1. We get minus 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 3. Same sign means we have to add this number and put the same sign. So 2 plus 1 3, minus minus, so we get minus 3, but they given plus 3, so that is false. Third one, find the numerical coefficient of each of the following terms. Given the terms, I write in the tabular column. This is the terms and we have to write the numerical coefficient here. First one, minus 3yx. Numerical coefficient means numbers. Coefficient, number coefficient, that is numerical coefficient. Here minus 3 is the numerical coefficient. We have to write with the sign also. Here plus, so 12 is the numerical coefficient. Here nothing is there, so but we take 1 is the numerical coefficient, and then 121 here minus, what is that? Numerical coefficient 1, so minus 1. Here 9, and last one 2ab. Here 2 is the numerical coefficient. Fourth one, Write the variables, constant and the terms of the following expressions. First one, 18 plus x minus y, 7p minus 4q plus 5, 29x plus 13y, and fourth one, b plus 2. I write in the tabular column. Here we have to write the variables and constant terms and terms separately. First one, 18 plus x minus y. What are the variables used here? Variables means alphabets, that is x and y. And then constant term is 18. And how many terms are there? 18 one term, x one term, and y one term. So 18 comma x comma minus y, that is the terms. Next one, 7p minus 4q plus 5. Here the variables are p and q. Constant term is 5. The terms are 3 terms, that is 7p minus 4q and 5. 7p minus 4q comma 5. And then third one, 29x plus 13y. There is the variables are x comma y. There is no constant term, so we put 0 for that. And then terms are 2 terms, 29x and 13y. So 29x comma 13y. Fourth one, b plus 2. What are the variable here? B, and constant term is 2 number, and then terms are 2 terms, b comma 2. And then fifth one, identify the like terms among the following. Listen, the given the terms, that is 7y, 5y, minus 8x, 12y, 6z, z, minus 12x, minus 9y, 11z. What are the like terms? The variables are same in the terms, that is the like terms. So 7x, so x terms here, and then y terms, and then z terms. Write down x terms here, 7x, and then minus 8x, 8x, and then minus 12x. These three terms are like terms of x. Okay, next to y terms, 5y, and then 12y, anything, minus 9y. So these three terms are like terms of y. Next, z term, 6z, z, and then 11z. These are the like terms of z. Sixth one, if x equal to 2 and y equal to 3, then find the values of the following expressions. They are given the 4 subdivisions. We have to find out the values of the expressions. First, write down what they given. They given the value of x equal to 2 and y equal to 3. First question, 2x minus 3y. Listen children, we have to substitute the value of x and y here. So 2 into, here x equal to 2, so substitute the value instead of x, minus 3 into, instead of y we have to apply the substitute the value, that is 3. Bracket means multiplication. So 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are minus 3 3s are 9, plus 4 minus 9. We have to subtract this number, we get 5. Which one is greater one? 9. So that sign we put here. So minus 9 is the answer. Next one, second, x plus y. What is the value of x? 2, and value of y is 3. So 2 plus 3 we get 5. That is the answer. Next one, third, 4y minus x. Write down 4 as it is. Instead of y we have to substitute the value, that is 3, minus x. Instead of x we have to substitute the value, that is 2. 4 3s are 12, minus 2. 12 minus 2, 10. So that is the answer. Next one, fourth, x plus y, 1 minus y. What is x? 2 plus 1 minus y is 3. Add the same sign, plus 2 plus 1. So plus 2 plus 1, 3, minus 3. 3 minus 3, 0. So that is the answer. Here exercise 3.1 is over. The children practice well with the concept of algebra. I'll see you again in next exercise. Thank you.